Stephanie Hansen from stephaniesdish.com. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are making creamed corn, which is a great side for the holidays. I've started out with 3 tablespoons of grated onion, and I grate it or microplane it because I really want it to be buried inside the sauce. In the meantime, I've got to make an egg that I'm going to just crack in half, and I'm going to make it frothy. I'm going to now add my 3 tablespoons of flour and get it stirred around. This is going to be the roux. And my next step is that I am going to just cook the onion and the butter for about 2 minutes until everything is tender and incorporated, or the base of my dish. And when you're cooking with butter and flour, it's going to get kind of pasty, and that's fine. That's what you want. But you also want to cook off that pasty flavor. So you don't want to see any bits of onion here. It kind of ends up looking like Play-Doh, and that's the right consistency. I'm gonna add the whole milk, and I'm gonna add it a little bit at a time because I'm just making a roux. And I'm gonna get all that butter and that flour incorporated. If you have a hard time getting everything incorporated, a whisk can be your best friend. And I'm gonna switch from my wooden paddle here to a whisk. And when all of this is incorporated and I've got my nice white sauce, I'm gonna add 1/3 cup of heavy cream and the egg that we whisked. I'm gonna add the cream and the egg before I put it into my baking skillet. But first I've got 2 cups of corn. This is Iowa sweet corn. A friend brought it for me. Just very excited that I'm using it. I'm gonna incorporate the egg very slowly. Just gives it a little richness. And then I'm gonna add my corn. I'm gonna top it with some breadcrumbs. And in this case, the crumbs I'm using are actually saltine crackers because I love the richness that it gives. And I'm just gonna sprinkle them on the top. I use a whole sleeve. I just wanna make sure that every bit gets brown and crispy. This is gonna go in the oven for 30 minutes. And look for my cookbook, the True North Cabin Cookbook, at bookstores everywhere, full of cozy comfort dishes.